Let's just talk about this one major component, and it is only potatoes. That's what I said. Potatoes. They contain an enzyme called catechol, which helps to brighten skin and get rid of dark spots. You can even use potato juice to lessen the appearance of dark circles. Potatoes are also anti-aging and can gently exfoliate your skin. So, what we're going to do right now is do some potato juice. I have my handy dandy Bella high power juice extractor. Love it so much. Y'all, I know I use my juicer several times a week. I promise you, it is worth the money, okay? But we're just gonna simply juice this potato as you've seen me do already. Very easy. I don't have to worry about grating and taking cheesecloth and squeezing out the juice. Boo on that. I am using my juicer. So just simply wash and clean the potato well, and then use the juice extractor, whichever one you have, to go ahead and extract the juice. Now, actually, for this particular mask, you're only going to need 1 to 2 tablespoons of juice. So just take 1 potato, or even maybe a half of potato, depending on how big your potato is. 1 to 2 tablespoons is all you need. Just apply the juice to your face using your fingertips, or you can use a brush or a sponge, and leave the juice on for 15 minutes. Simply wash it off. And beautiful babes, after a few treatments of this, you will notice brighter, more even skin. Always moisturize your skin after this treatment. Use this regularly, consistently for best results. Don't think you can just use it one time and that's it. Continue this until you get the desired results. It's as simple as that. And if you're interested in this Bella High Power Juice Extractor, check the description box below. Now, I did get mine from Amazon, and I don't think it's available there. I think Best Buy has it, so check there as well. But I will also link another juicer that's quite similar to this one in the description box. Check it out, beautiful babes, and enjoy this super nice brightening mask.
Free. The leaves are falling, but I'm rising high. Shook off the shadows, left the pain behind. Every storm I weathered taught me to believe. Now the sun is shining, there's a brand new